Welcome to PowerShell Help System. In this video, you will learn how to use Get-Help to master the built-in documentation available for every PowerShell command. The Help System is a valuable resource for discovering features and understanding how commands work. It is essential for both beginners and experienced users who want to explore PowerShell efficiently. Get-Help is PowerShell's built-in documentation tool. Whenever you want information about a command, or you are not sure how a command works, simply use Get-Help. It gives you details including descriptions, syntax, examples, and parameters. Remember, Get-Help is always available, no internet required. Use it as your first stop for PowerShell assistance. To use Get-Help, type the phrase get-help followed by the command name you want to learn about. For example, to get help on get-process, type get-help get-process. Replace command name with the actual name of the command you are interested in. Get-Help supports several useful parameters. Add -full to see complete documentation, including all details and examples. Use -detailed for more in-depth information about parameters and examples. With -examples, you can focus only on example usages. Finally, -online opens the related documentation on the web if you need more details. Let us look at an example. If you type get-help get-process, you get a basic help summary for the get process command. If you use get-help get-process -detailed, you receive more information about parameters and usage. For every command, -full shows every available detail including advanced information. PowerShell lets you search for commands by using wildcards. For instance, get-help *process* helps you discover all commands related to processes. Similarly, get-help get-* lets you see every command that starts with the word get. This makes it easier to explore available tools without memorizing exact names. To have the latest documentation, update your help files using the command update-help. It downloads the newest help content from Microsoft, so your information stays current. Please remember that updating help usually requires you to run PowerShell as an administrator. Get-Help is the most important tool for learning any PowerShell command. Use -full or -examples to get more detailed information. Take advantage of wildcards to find related commands quickly. Remember to keep your help content updated with update-help to ensure you always have the latest information at your fingertips.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.